All right, guys, welcome to day 12 of 365. Today, we're working on the basement, and I've got a new videographer. It's not myself, it's my daughter. So if you hear some good commentary and random feet, yeah. So today is, I guess, going to be a basement Gary vlog. Here we go. So we've started basement renos over there. We started doing drywall over there. You gotta show the drywall that we've done over there. You can zoom in. Yeah, so that side's drywalled, but this side of our basement over here is not. We still got the old wood paneling. So today we're gonna focus on ripping this stuff down. And these come down with you. Gotta film. These come down too. So we don't need those anymore. We don't need those anymore. Are you recording? Where's my hammer? Hammer. You ready? This is not drywall. Don't take rental advice from me. I'm not a professional.
Yeah, you're really not.
I'm what they call it, amateur.
I think that should be a thumbnail.
Yeah? This is the thumbnail?
This is.
That's the thumbnail right there?
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting out of here!
Okay, so gotta take off ceiling tiles. Oh, give me a second.
It's called a ceiling.
Ceiling tiles. I'm being told it's called a ceiling. So I want to take the strapping off because we don't need the strapping. The strapping here is for this style old ceiling tiles, and we're moving over to a hang-in ceiling afterwards.
You're old. You're almost 30.
After we do the drywall and everything. But also need to remove that to be able to remove this channel here that allows me to then remove this wood paneling properly.
I'm coming! What are you breaking off there?
Those things that hold the blinds that were there. Brackets. The blind brackets. They can't see. Dad joke.
Dad joke, mad joke, that made me dad joke.
Just realized I hadn't done an outro for this video yet. So thanks for watching, guys. A little bit of a random video. There might be a few of those in this mix on weekends because, well, weekends I'm not at the shop. I'm not working on actual vinyl stuff most of the time on the weekend. So random stuff, you know, house renovations, if we do travel, whatever, it'll probably end up little bits and pieces of that stuff here. So hope you guys don't mind. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and hit that subscribe button. See you guys tomorrow.